Oh, this song?
Sir, we're gonna have to pull you over.
Why? Because my dash is cracked.
Your dash is cracked, yeah. Yeah, it's cracked.
Stop.
Intake. Alright guys, so we are gonna go to another location, Mexico. We got the Alpha, the ST, the Lexus, and then the 5.0. I'm doing everything one-handed. Yeah, let's pop the hoods. Nothing crazy.
Stock.
It's stock. Intake. Alright, now we gotta look at the... So you got the upgraded Manny too?
Not on right now.
Oh, it's a...
This is all legal. This is just 350 cold air.
Oh, okay, so it's like all carb legal and shit.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You're on 91 too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think I'll be even. It's clean.
This has the 373 gearing though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I only have the
355.
They're either 331s or 355s. I don't know which one they are, but they're a longer gear ratio for sure.
Piped Roush.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're loud.
I get the
350 Valence panel. It's not a 50 year. Yeah, it's like all the. He just did like a stylistic stuff, so you know.
Is that the other guy's license plate? Why?
Yeah, I didn't like that. It kind of. I would change it.
For this one.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm still thinking about it.
It's actually a 4.9. No, it really is.
Is it really?
Are you guys going right now?
Yeah, we're gonna go right now. But we'll just.
No, that's kind of hard to slam.
No,
mine's hella.
Yeah, you gotta get some down. Yeah, it should. Just quick.
Exhaust?
the boilers, yeah. They're quiet though.
See, the thing I fucking made a mistake with my Mustang is I don't have the glow.
Oh, for all?
Or the big dash.
Yeah. No, it's like, it's cool.
Hey! I zoom in on all you guys' fucking faces. Oh my god. Alex SVT is ready for the match tonight.
We're gonna go a little into Mexico too.
We're going deep or what?
Low key, a little bit.
We're going tires with me?
I should have aired out. Yeah, plus air. It's loud. Temps, inlet air temp 89, so it's a little warmish. I wish it was cooler, but I look quiet compared to the Roush. The Roush are one of the loudest axle backs. Hey, 40? 40! Oh, it's close. It's close.
It's a good race, baby.
It's a good ass race.
It's a good race. What are his mods?
He's tuned. I'm stock tuned.
You're stock?
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3. Let's go! We want to pull it on him!
Look at the lineup, guys. We're at the dealership. I'm gonna check things out. Drew, where we at?
Porsche. Look at the wheels.
No way.
87.
No way. Drew, you gonna cop?
I can't afford that. If we bought that right now, we'd be in debt for over like 40, 50 years.
Oh yeah, for sure. Subscribe to Abdul's channel. Link in the description. Look at this hood, guys. That's crazy. That color goes hard. Why don't you trade in the M3? How much do they go for? No way. Are you for real? What?
That one you used? 239.
No way. What the
You want the
hell?
6-speed or the automatic? In the shop the other day?
For real?
Yeah, I seen some man gave them. They seen it for like 240,000 cash. I like that. See that color?
That blue?
On the M2?
Yeah.
It's clean. Or that's what color that M3 is across the street from me. It's like 6 turns for one of these.
What'd you guys
tell me,
do?
Let's do a little pull right here in the corner.
Yeah, right
Which
there.
one would you rather have? You better insert the pull decide.
I will.
What would you rather have? A GT3 RS or 6 turns? Is that
Whoa,
the
whoa.
HHR Racing 2-valve? Look, it's over there.
Where?
It's leaving. It's leaving.
Ground. This one said I was fresh cooking. Nah, it's not Savage Garden actually.
You know?
Bro, with the TVs,
That's crazy.
Bro, baller ass really.
That's wild. I want to test drive.
Is this the base model?
What do you mean base model? It's probably a
This one's the
performance.
Plus?
It's not the Plus.
I want to test drive one.
This is the Plus, I think.
Yeah?
But what is the wing? It's the carbon fiber. It's right here.
Doesn't the Plus have the weight?
He's getting it whippled.
What color is it?
It's a white one.
White Whipple R8?
No, like yeah, it's gonna be whippled. Like,
That's
I saw them-
sick.
They took the motor out and they're building it right now.
That's really sick,
Yeah,
bro.
so I don't know. It's crazy though. But they're whippling this.
Hey, the seats that the guy wants me to...
Dude, those UGR R8s are stupid
Look,
fast.
Hell yeah.
The seats, they look exactly like that. It's just like the...
Yours?
No, the one that wants me to trade him.
What are you gonna trade them?
I'm not gonna do it. He said 1,500 on top with all my stock stuff.
For what?
For VIP seats.
Let's go
No,
inside.
I'm
It's
not
hot.
doing it.
Hey, I told you just fucking sell a car and then get like fucking a fast car.
But he doesn't understand that the car has 7 minutes.
The manual?
Uh-huh. They sold it at auction for like 2 something.
Whoa, that's hella tax.
They have a lot of Audis right now. They had A8L, they had the A6s, they had S5.
But whenever you
I
buy
had
a
a
car,
Boss 302 the other
yeah,
day.
you know
I know, I
that
seen
my
it.
dad told me he's like in the back lot whenever they do the
That's a
auction
350. That's a 350.
and you buy the car, you have
I can already
Nice.
tell. That's the only car I would trade the Cobra
That's a
for, maybe.
GT350, yeah, you can tell.
I don't know. The sound is just crazy.
Yeah,
Flat plane, dude.
Yeah, it sounds so good.
You know Ryan?
Fondors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ryan with the
His
the
R,
gray
the
one.
gray, yeah.
His
They
thing's
did rolling
clean.
shots of that too.
I think I saw those. Yeah, those are
that
clean.
was fun. Good
Yeah,
things,
yeah.
stuff.
No, I hit him up and I was like, let's shoot some time and do whatever, you know,
Yeah.
or race the Cobra, race the Cobra.
Oh
or something,
man, that'd
yeah.
be sweet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 'Cause
Especially after you get a whip.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, those cars make like 530 like crank, and my car makes like 500 crank. So I'm just want to see where I am, like right
Yeah.
there. Hey, should I buy my injectors, Abdul?
Hmm?
Should I buy them? Hey, should I buy my fuel injectors?
What are you gonna go with?
The FIC 1000s.
Oh, dude.
It's better with the 85 will be better for you.
Yeah, because I can't run a stock injector with the Cobra
Yeah,
if I do 85. But that's a good ass price.
I think so too.
But,
Would you rather get an R8 or a GTR?
GTR for sure.
I'm buying a GTR. You buy the GTR because that's like way cheaper than
The GTR is more practical in a sense, like
and then you can mod it easier and get more power out of it.
for the price. Yeah. Let's go check out the Beamer. Let's check Beamer.